Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an exciting recipe that I want to share with you all. I did do this previously on the channel and I did it in my regular pot, but today we're going to be doing this recipe in the instant pot. So even if you don't own an instant pot, you can still do this in a regular pot. So we're starting with our instant pot on the saute mode. To my pot I'm going to add in some chorizo that I chopped up. And this is just a cured dry chorizo that I found at Public Supermarket. In goes some avocado oil. If you cannot find the chorizo, you can use any type of sausage that's nice and spicy. Would work great in here too. So just let that render out for a couple minutes. After which you'll go in with your onions, finely chopped. Pimentos. You can put a hot pepper in here if you wanted to also. In goes some scallions chopped. Some colored bell peppers chopped. I'm going to give that a mix. I'm not adding any salt because that chorizo sausage does have some salt. We just want to sweat these until they're nice and translucent. So a couple of minutes on those veggies. Now I'm going to go in with my boneless, skinless chicken thigh, or you can use breast. And now we're going to season that. So I'm going in with some dried pimento flakes, some Tex-Mex seasoning. In goes smoked paprika, complete seasoning, minced garlic, some ruku or annatto powder, or if you have the liquid you can use that also. Now we're going to give this a good mix. Make sure that those seasonings coat the chicken. You'll notice that my chicken, when I put it in, my chicken had nothing on it. It was just plain chicken. Adding those seasonings is what's going to add flavor to the chicken. In goes my jasmine rice. I like using jasmine rice. You can use regular white rice, or you can use basmati, or you can even use parboiled rice. If you're using parboiled rice, it's going to take longer to cook. Now I'm going to let this fry up in here for about 2 to 3 minutes just to help develop some flavor. Next, go in with your water. Now you'll notice not a lot of water is needed. If you're using parboiled, you would need a little extra water. I'm going in with some broken lomein noodles. And the amount of water for the parboiled rice, I'll leave it in the description box along with all of the measurements you've seen on the screen as I was cooking. So you just want to make sure spread that out evenly. I'm going in here with a teaspoon of bullion, chicken bullion powder. I didn't add any salt, so all of these seasonings would be adding that salt element for us. So once you mix that in properly, now it's time to cover it. Now this is not going to take long to cook, guys. You're going to turn off the saute mode and you're going to turn on the pressure cook mode. And we're going to put that to pressure cook for 3 minutes. It's white rice, so it's not going to take long. If you're using parboiled rice, you would want to put it for about 6 minutes. When it's finished, go ahead and remove the cover. And you guys will see the noodles was cooked properly, the rice was cooked properly, the chicken was cooked properly. Look how amazing that looks. So I'm finishing with some freshly chopped celery. And I'm going to mix that in. And now at this point you don't want to taste, and you can adjust your salt if you need more salt. And then this will be ready to be served. How cool was this to make dinner in under 5 minutes? I mean, you have the prep time, but the cook time was really quick. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. In my previous version, I used whole pieces of chicken. I wanted to make it really easy, hence the reason why I used pieces of chicken thigh. You could also use breast meat if you like. So thank you all so much for joining me today. Comment down below if you try it. Tag me on Instagram so I can repost your photos. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.